Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We are at the Mason Dixon Willys Jeep Gathering in Union Mills Homestead in Westminster, Maryland. Got my TJ right over here, but the show is over there behind me and we'll cut right to it. But I wanted to say first that Merlin Hanson Mechanical Restorations does a wonderful job putting this on every year. It's a wonderful location, a wonderful place. Meet a lot of wonderful, great people. I'll take you around and show you some of the Jeeps. But they do a ride the day before, I think Friday. This is Sunday. They do a meet and greet. I'll put the down in the description box the website to all this information. But they do a meet and greet at Merlin's place, Hanson Mechanical Restorations in Littlestown, Pennsylvania. And then Saturday they do a trail ride. And I was talking to Merlin, they're going to try to break it up into 2 different rides from now on. Basically one that does a battlefield. They take all the old Jeeps and all the old stuff through the battlefields of Gettysburg. And then they're going to have another group that goes through Michaud State Park up in Pine Grove, PA, or like up there by Pine Grove Furnace. They're going to try to do 2 different groups so you can go and experience 2 different things. Both really cool areas. I'm from that area, so it's really cool to see that stuff. That's beautiful. So if you're in that area, come October-ish, check out that website down in the description to get all the information. But let's cut to the footage of the show and let's go see what's here this year. Alrighty, we'll do some walkarounds here. There's Mr. Red Eye Cafe Motos. If you're not following him, I'll put a link down in the description to his YouTube video or his YouTube channel, and Jonathan over there, Gibbyvet Outdoors. I'll put a link to both their videos down in the description. But if you've never seen this Jeep before, it's been on my channel a lot, done a lot of trail rides with Seth. Him and Angie are great people, friends of ours, and it's a beautiful Jeep. It has a TDI from a Volkswagen under the hood, which is really cool. Yes. Jonathan's with the patina. Super cool. Super cool 2A. It's a beautiful Jeep here as well. So I'm going to stop talking and just put some music over right now and just do a real quick walk around. Doing? Good. Got the military row. Man. It'll be better. How are you, Jake?
Great, how are you?
Good. And there's Jared.
At least I didn't sell all my Jeeps.
Hey. See, I'm like booted out of the club. You see how that works?
Hey, blow it off the island.
Yeah,
there, right?
I'm neglected. I'm like back over
Blow
there.
it off the island.
Gibbyvet Outdoors.
Oh, my brother.
That's a nice phone you got there.
Yeah, you too.
Heck yeah. Check this out down here. I don't know what it even is.
Still finding pretty good.
How cool is that?
I had it in the mud yesterday. It's all sprayed all over.
That's amazing. That is.
So cool. And here's all the newer Jeeps. We'll come back up around the other side and catch the AMC stuff. But I'm parked right here. Some good looking Jeeps. I was talking to Merlin. It's kind of nice they actually had put them all all together. Gave us all a place to park. Not a sharp looking TJ right there. Silver rocker panels. But nice turnout. Nice show. Actually, some of the AMC Jeeps are leaving, but I'll catch a little bit are left up there on the way up through. But this is a really nice Jeep right here. That is really cool. That's a really cool Jeep. It's really pretty color. It's probably hard to see it in the camera, but it's actually more like, how would you even describe that? More green than it is blue. It's hard to describe. Cool. And another TJ at the end. So as you come around that TJ, this is all the general parking over here, but they do have a really cool and nice selection of parts right there. A little swap meet area, some food up on that end. But yeah, people are actually starting to roll out. Some of the AMC Jeeps are starting to roll out. Like I said, I'll go up there and catch them, but we're back in the post AMC vehicles section.
What do you want?
Got Red Eye Cafe Moto and his lovely wife Andrea.
Well, last year,
The man, the myth, the legend right here. With a really sweet truck over there. Go give him a follow. Again, his video is, her YouTube channel is down in the description. Go check him out. Alright, like I said, I'll take you through the AMC stuff here. There was a few more scramblers here, but Mr. Jeep Doc, if you're watching this, you always have an eye for the scramblers.
Hey, Hal, so I popped that in last.
That's a pretty blue. I don't know what blue that is, but it's a really pretty blue.
Hesitate. I got all the speeds and everything, and then my turn signal stopped working. Unfortunately, I was just
That thing is clean.
My turn signals don't work up front.
Very nice. Looks like a Survivor. All right, everybody, I took you around pretty much everything you had to see here at the show. Again, I encourage you to come check it out if you're in the area come October. It's always a beautiful place. It's always a beautiful venue. It's about 60 some degrees today, so it's really nice out, really beautiful here by the creek. So again, I encourage you to come check it out. Support them. They really help give back to the homestead right here, the Union Mills Homestead. And they do all events all year long. They have all sorts of stuff happening here. So it's a really beautiful place. I can't speak highly enough of these people. They always do a great job. And Merlin, you do a great job, all the volunteers. Thanks for putting on such a great show. And I look forward to seeing you all next year. Please consider subscribing to the channel. Like this video, give it a thumbs up if you found it cool and entertaining. And we'll catch you on the next one. See you later. I'm not sure we'll ever get back. I'd have to get a trailer. Well, you would be too if you were 70-some years old, right?
Right.
I'm here with the man, myth, and legend.